Hello! This is it mga kapatid. This will be my final run. It pains me to see that my stay here is coming to an end. But you know, those 2 years, more than 2 years of stay here will be cherished, remembered, and it will always be a part of my journey. And again, New Hope family, thank you so much for trusting me, for embracing me to be a part of this company. And hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Promise yan. Again, this is Gene, or tawag nga nila sa aking channel, Manibelang Pinoy. Thank you again. Maraming salamat. Manibelang Pinoy, New Hope Transport Unit 394 is signing off. See you on the flip side.